So the next static compensator is next type is thyristor controlled reactors. This static compensator using thyristor reactor control will observe the reactive power. The TSC means generate the reactive power, and thyristor control observe the reactive power. The difference between the thyristor switched capacitance and the thyristor controlled reactors. It contains similarly the same ways static compensator TCR will observe the reactive power and contain two main components. There are thyristor switch and linear reactors. The circuit as shown in figure will be same for the thyristor switched capacitors. It is the filter bank. Here by using the external additionally use the filter bank to reduce the harmonic generated. Filter banks are used. The filter banks are used to reduce the harmonic generated in order to vary the current from zero maximum value and where alpha is the firing angle. This respond on the reactor. So this is the same circuit for this one. Thyristor switched capacitor. Thyristor controlled reactive power will be observe the reactive power, and thyristor switched capacitor is generate the reactive power. Here the filter banks are used to reduce the harmonic generated in order to vary the current from zero to maximum value, and where it is the firing angle, alpha is the firing angle, and respond the reactor. Here also one is the reactor and SCRC's anti-parallel are connected in the circuit is the same as a thyristor switched capacitor. But only difference is in the thyristor switched capacitors, react in series with the capacitors. The capacitors are used to generate the reactive power. Here the observe the reactive power. Sham lumped inductance is a connector observe the reactive power. Capacitors generate the same as thyristor switches and linear reactors same. So the next topic is and last topic, series compensation. Series compensation. What is meant by series compensation? So what is the use of series compensation? So the series compensation are using the stability improved and voltages is the improved. So the purpose of what are the objectives of series compensations? The effect of series compensation on the basic factors determining the attainable, the maximum power pole transmissions and the steady state power transmissions, limits and transmit stability, voltage stability, the power oscillation damping. Those are the objectives of series compensations. So the purpose, the concept of series capacitive compensations. So the purpose is the cancel the part of the series inductive reactance of the help to increase. Once if the series inductive reactance cancel the inductive reactance of the transmission line, once they cancel the series capacitive series inductance, they improve the maximum power transfer and reduction of power angles given amount of power and increasing the load. So the effect of reactive power series. So the basic idea behind of series capacitive compensator is decreases the overall effective series transmission line impedance from the sending end to the receiving end. X is the reactance, that is X. So P equal to V2 by X into sine delta. V2 means the receiving end voltage. So the relationship is characterizing the power transmission over a single line. Consider a two simple machine model, the series capacitor compensated line, which for the convenience is assumed to be composed to identical segments. One is note for that the same end voltage, magnitude voltage, total voltage across the series line, inductance Vx, 2Vx by 2 increased by the magnitude of opposite voltage. BC developed across the series capacitor and result increase in the line current. So increase the effect of series capacitor, effect of transmission impedance of the series capacitive compensation is the X effective, reactance effective equal to X minus XC. So in this equation, the common term is X, effective equal to 1 minus K into X. The K is the degree of the series compensation, K equal to XC by X. Assuming the voltage, sending end voltage equal to receiving end voltage, the current is the compensated line, I equal to T2V by 1 minus K into X in sine delta by 2. The real power transmitted is the real power P equal to Vm into I. The max Vm is the maximum value, P square by 1 minus X, 1 minus K into X into sine delta. And reactive power supplied by the series capacitor equal to QC equal to I square into XC equal to 2 V square by 1 minus K square into X 1 minus cos delta. So here the ratio of XC may be XC may be selected to the factor of XLC minus XC sin by becoming negative and equal to the, so that delta V equal to 0. The ratio of XC by XL is called compensation factor, is called as a compensation factor. This compensation factor is known as the compensation when is expressed in terms of percentage is known as the percentage compensation. The extent of effect of compensation depends upon the number of locations and circuit arrangement of the series capacitor and the shunt reactor stations. From the practical point of view, it is desirable not to exceed a series compensation behind of 80%. If the 100% is compensated, would be causes the series resonance or fundamental frequency. This is the series compensations, and this is the last topic for the fourth unit, and completed the fourth unit. Thank you.